Hi, this is the video that will just give you a quick walkthrough on how to make your Burndown chart in the XRM PM solution as featured on CRM Cap. So you can see I've got the Burndown chart here, but we're going to make a new one. And just use active day for now, that's fine, because essentially the purpose of the Burndown chart is you're actually going to be using it in the day associated on the sprint. So we don't care about the view here. So just name it something in terms of Burndown. Technically it should be Burndown chart. And what we're actually going to do is, so there's two series. The first one is the ideal, and it's sum, and it needs to be a line chart. And the second is actual, and it's also sum, and that also needs to be a line chart. And then the category we're going to be doing by day number. That's it. So save it. And you can see it here. So select it and then export it. So you've then got your XML to do with your chart. So there's only a few, there's not a great deal of customizations in terms of this, and I've definitely got to say a huge thank you to the chart guy blog for this, because I actually kind of enjoy charts now since looking at all the stuff you can actually do with them, and he actually makes it quite interesting. So definitely check out that blog. So there's actually not a great deal that you've got to do. You can change all these aliases if you want to. I didn't do that, so you don't have to. The first thing to do is to change the color. So input the color on the secondary series here, and you can see the y-axis. Remove it. We don't want a secondary y-axis, because one of the things that the CRM charts does is it kind of draws it against two axes, and axis. I don't know whether that's the same plural that's right. So that might not technically be correct. But what it actually does is it then, in certain circumstances, depending on data, because it's all based on that kind of fetch query for the chart. Depending on that, you can actually end up with a mismatch of data. So you've kind of got your ideal near the bottom and your actual near the top, and it kind of defeats the whole purpose of a Burndown chart if you keep this secondary on there. So we're going to remove that. And then we are going to, bear with me one second. So I'm just grabbing the actual blog post here. So I'm actually on, so create a chart with two series, we've done that. Your category should be day number, we've done that. We've exported it. We've added the colour. So some of the actual other things, like I said, this is literally hardly anything that's been done to this compared to some charts. Change the marker size in the series to 5. It's just because it's pretty big. It's huge. So let's change it to 5. And also, I added an annotation, so that's where you've got the title essentially, and that was here. And then I believe I changed the labels as well on the actual real one. So this is the actual proper XML, which you've got access to as well. So I definitely recommend you checking that out. So can you see the is value shown as label here is set to false. And that's it. That's literally it. It literally took me probably 2 minutes. Not even that. This is what I mean by you've got this guide. Use it. Change anything else that you want, and then basically just save it in your save it, and then once you've done with it, then just re-import it, and then you just select it. So that's it, and then go for it. If you get any issues, you're more than welcome to give me a shout. But yeah, hope you enjoyed it.